1 2 3
What? What?
Izzy, are you stuck?
My boy.
Say good morning to your mama. Let's try again. Good morning.
Okay, you don't strip.
This one is very, very cool.
Yeet.
Go, let go. Princess! No, they are my chicken nuggets. Ow! Macaroni turns 1. Oh, ow. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh shit, kitty!
His meow is so cute.
Barışacaksınız, tamam mı lan?
And that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
going on a ride and... Oh God, I'm sorry. I did not mean...
No! No!
I told you it's not a good idea.
Y'all.
Ves med lite chili coke.
Watch, I've been doing this to her for like 10 minutes.
Taylor.
No. Playing in the cobwebs, you look like you're wearing a veil. What?
Do something, cat.
Wow. Wow. This is just wow.
Get off the table! Off the table!
No. Sasha! Sasha!
Funny cat.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry. From the basement?
He's crazy?
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Chemicals in here. Max, I knew you was...
Run.
What are you doing? Get...
He's in great condition.
Oh, baby, come on.
Seriously, this cat's a little stupid.
Hey, come on.
Give me the bottle. Mila, quit! I tell you what I want, what I really, really want.
you stuck?
Want somebody?
Yeah.
Hey.
Should I get a dog? Theo.
What a gentle fight.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Is it time for dinner?
Oh my God!
You're under arrest. Put your hands up.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
Where is the...
So, mirror, stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. Yep. And if people don't like it, then they're...
I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
No! No! Macaroni turns one.